In an age where we are flooded with stimuli that can overwhelm our senses, there is an increased desire to return to basics and a tranquil existence. Laurent Ferrier takes this yearning to heart with the square Micro-Rotor Retro. As its name implies, this timepiece represents a throwback to 1930s aesthetics, while maintaining an unmistakable modern styling. If you have any questions about this timepiece, or about Laurent Ferrier or Les Ambassadeurs, ask us in the comment section and our watch experts will get back to you right away. But what's better than to see this or any other Laurent Ferrier in action and deep dive into the world of timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs? You are always welcome to discover this timepiece with our watch experts at one of our boutiques in Zurich, at Bahnhofstrasse, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or in the beautiful city of Luzern, at Kappelplatz. In the meantime, we invite you to our web shop, where you can explore a wide selection of the latest Laurent Ferrier timepieces, including the square Micro-Rotor Retro. Laurent Ferrier has earned a well-deserved reputation of crafting timepieces that are devoid of superfluous details. Instead of loud, look-at-me visuals, they have opted for a classic look punctuated by minimalist aesthetics, emphasizing the purity and balance of their timepieces. Laurent Ferrier has always drawn its inspiration from the time-honored traditions of fine watchmaking and was influenced by vintage timepieces from the late 1930s. In this context, the retro theme begins with the Art Deco-inspired dial. Its minimalist design features pilot numerals that provide excellent readability while maintaining a casual aesthetic. The use of Arabic numerals is a departure from Laurent Ferrier's design playbook that usually uses Roman numerals or bars as indices. The retro look is further enhanced with a small seconds dial at 6 o'clock and the use of 18-karat white gold Assegai hands for the hours and minutes and baton-style hands for the seconds. A touch of modernity is introduced with the architectural hour circle that ties all the elements together. Its iconic square case imbues this watch with Laurent Ferrier's DNA. This 41 by 41 mm case, which is waterproof up to 30 meters, highlights the Art Deco inspiration of the watch while maintaining a contemporary edge with its sleek contours, aerodynamic curves, and complex lines, while the transparent caseback provides you with an unencumbered view of the movement in action. The design speaks to all the timepiece lovers who prefer vintage aesthetics combined with modern technology. As the wrist comparison shows, the size of the case fits well on various wrist sizes and looks stunning regardless of your preferred clothing style and the occasion. Nevertheless, as we always say, it is all about you and your opinion matters to us. Why not giving it a try at one of our boutiques with our watch experts together? The driving force behind these watches is Laurent Ferrier's renowned FBN 229.01 caliber. This self-winding movement, crafted in collaboration with La Fabrique du Temps, is equipped with an escapement that features a unidirectional pawl-fitted micro-rotor and an impressive 3-day power reserve. It is also fitted with a silicone escapement, featuring a double direct impulse on the balance and reducing the force required to wind the barrel spring, maximizing power efficiency. The 186-component caliber occupies an area of 31.6 mm by 4.35 mm and vibrates at 21,600 vibrations per hour. Laurent Ferrier offers a hand-sewn black alligator strap in combination with a pin buckle in rose gold. Laurent Ferrier's square Micro-Rotor Retro is a timeless throwback that seamlessly blends in modernity. Once again, Laurent Ferrier is demonstrating, with integrity, its ability to create timeless, exceptional timepieces devoid of any superfluous detail, with a pure aesthetic. The square Micro-Rotor Retro is available now and priced at 70,300 Swiss francs. We are delighted to have the square Micro-Rotor Retro at either one of our boutiques or via our online store, where you can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service. We will deliver any timepiece on stock within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. What are your thoughts about the way Laurent Ferrier combined retro and modern aesthetics? What did you like the most about this timepiece? Your opinion matters to us. Please share your questions, experiences, and thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.